What if the next brilliant idea wasn't entirely human? We're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI synthesis, where human intuition isn't replaced, but amplified by machine intelligence. Prepare to have your understanding of innovation redefined as we explore the groundbreaking advancements shaping our future. Right now in December 2025, forget everything you thought you knew about AI. We're about to unveil the secrets behind AI synthesis, a process where human experts aren't just training machines, but fundamentally merging their intuition with artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction. It's the cutting edge of this year's technological revolution, and you won't want to miss understanding how it works. Welcome, everyone. I'm Gazi Pollob, and today we re-cracking open the black box of a technology that's already changing our world: AI synthesis. Ever wonder how those seemingly impossible technological breakthroughs happen? It's not just algorithms and code. It's about a partnership between human genius and machine learning. So what exactly is AI synthesis? Let's clear up some confusion. This isn't about AI simply copying and pasting existing data. True synthesis is about creation. It's about generating something entirely new and coherent, something that didn't exist before. Think of it as emergent intelligence. You see it everywhere now, from AI creating photorealistic faces of people who have never existed, to composing entire musical symphonies that can move us to tears. These are not just copies, they are new creations. But here's the secret sauce, the part that often gets overlooked: the human factor. Human intuition is the unseen architect in this entire process. We are the ones guiding the AI, refining its outputs and steering its creative direction. This has given rise to a new art form called prompt engineering. Crafting the perfect instruction for an AI is like a poet choosing their words. The right prompt can unlock unbelievable potential, while a poor one yields generic results. And with this power comes responsibility. Human oversight is crucial for ensuring the content AI creates is ethical, responsible, and free from the biases that can sometimes lurk in the data. Now let's peek under the hood just for a moment. How does this all work? At the core are technologies like neural networks and generative models. You can think of them as a simplified digital brain. We teach this brain by feeding it massive amounts of data. The quality and diversity of this training data are what shape the AI's understanding of the world. But it's not a one-shot process. It's an iterative cycle, a constant feedback loop. The AI generates something, a human expert provides feedback, and the AI learns and improves. This back and forth, this dance between human and machine, is how we hone these synthetic creations to perfection. The results are nothing short of breathtaking. We're witnessing a revolution across industries. In medicine, AI is synthesizing new drug compounds, paving the way for personalized treatments that were once pure fantasy. In entertainment, AI is generating complex storylines, creating virtual actors and building immersive worlds for us to explore. And in the world of design and innovation, AI is accelerating product development and pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. The future is being built faster than ever before. This brings us to the new paradigm: co-creation. The future isn't about man versus machine. It's about man and machine working together synergistically. This partnership will allow us to achieve feats that were previously impossible. Of course, this path isn't without its challenges. We have to navigate complex ethical dilemmas, address potential biases in AI systems, and thoughtfully manage the evolution of the job market. But by facing these challenges head-on, we can shape a future where AI synthesis redefines not just our technology, but our own creativity. We are on the brink of a new era of collaboration. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into AI synthesis. The future is a canvas, and we, together with our AI partners, are the artists. If you found this insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation.